Hi everyone! Welcome to Reels at andito tayo sa 100 Yen Shop dito sa Japan. Ito yung parang Daiso na copy pero marami kasi ditong Daiso eh. So, ang pangalan nitong shop na to is Surya o Sereya. I don't know how you please comment down below how to pronounce it. Ayan. Itong 100 Yen shop na ito is kompleto na from parang gamit sa bahay, cosmetics. They also have bags, gift wrapping, parang national bookstore, parang bookshop. Kompleto sila dito. Meron din sila ditong cosmetics, makeup. Ayan, kompleto na dito. Naku, wala kayong hanapin pang iba. So as of now, I'm looking for an eyebrows. I think this is the one, dark brown. Ayan, marami kayo dito kukuha or mabibili kung gusto nyong i-visit ang Surya.